EagerLED HX-05. The black cordless electric LED display front maintenance tool is designed for efficient maintenance of indoor and outdoor rental LED screens. Equipped with a larger suction cup, the size of the suction cup mouth is adjustable, and it is compatible with modules of more sizes. This design ensures that LED modules of any specifications can be easily disassembled and maintained. And a power indicator light is added, so you can check the remaining power at any time. The battery is removable. Just press the button to remove it, which is convenient for carrying, storage and charging. And a safety function is added to the switch key to prevent accidental suction. Next to the switch key, a safety button is added. When the safety button is switched, the suction cup will not work, which greatly increases safety. This maintenance tool is particularly useful for troubleshooting issues such as pixel failures, module replacements, and general maintenance of LED displays. The front maintenance design ensures technicians can easily access screen components, reducing downtime and improving overall operational efficiency.